Hi friends, today I'm going to explain about one of the interesting applications that can be provided by the Calixto GL868 modem. Here is the setup shown wherein we have the modem with add-on card having the relay and relay driver integrated on it. This is where we connect the 12-volt power supply. This is where we connect the GSM antenna. Do not forget to remove the power supply before you connect the SIM card and the add-on card. That is the SIM card slot. This is the add-on card wherein we place it just the way I showed in here. Now connect the power supply. We have the 3-pin relay mate connector to interface the strike lock with the modem. Now it is in the default position, that is the locked position. What we are going to do now is we'll show you how we can unlock the strike by an SMS sent from the pre-assigned number. All we have to do is send open space door in capital and press send. Now it takes about 5 seconds to unlock the lock depending upon the network conditions. Here you go, it's in unlock position. After 10 seconds, it's in the lock position.